Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, we will discuss how we can convert a PDF file to an AutoCAD DWG file. This involves 4 steps. First, we will open the website at softtools.com. Then we will upload the PDF file. This PDF file will be converted to the DWG format file. And then we will apply a scale factor. Now let's move to our video. First, we are going to open this website. Now we will add our PDF file. The file is being converted into DWG format. Download the file. The file has been downloaded. Extract the file. So here is our AutoCAD version converted file. Double click to open it. Here you can see that the file has been converted into AutoCAD format. The next step is that we have to apply an appropriate scale factor. For that, first we will measure any dimension mentioned on the drawing. We will use DI distance command, DI enter. First point, second point. It shows that the distance is 23.3892 units. We have 3 feet of dimension, which is 36 inches. So we will apply an appropriate scale factor that will convert 23.3892 into 36. For that, we will apply a scale command, SC, enter. Select the objects, right click, base point, R, enter, reference length 23.3892, enter, and the new length is 36, which is equivalent to 3 feet. Press enter. Here you can see that the drawing has been scaled. Now measure the dimension again. Here you can see that the dimension is now 36. Now if we want to convert this 36 into 3 feet, we have to change some unit settings. For that, press UN, enter. This opens a dialog box for drawing units. Change decimal to architectural. Change precision to 0 feet 0 inches. And insertion scale to either unitless or inches. Press OK. And then again press OK. Now measure the dimension again. So you can see that we have 3 feet of dimension. I hope you have enjoyed this video and this video will assist you in your working. Thanks for joining.